Hey guys, I really wanted to make a quick video, like a real quick video, almost just a story here for you guys on our Russian sage and our white sage that we have growing here. Now, these were cut back to about anywhere between 6 to 18 inches off the ground this spring. Really early spring, we did a video on how to cut back your sages. Now, today's video is just going to illustrate how big these things are. Hey, buddy, want to stand up by these big purple plants? By the sage? Look at that. So this is my almost 4-year-old. And these plants, these sages right here, are even taller than he is. And they are just massive. So really showing you guys how much growth you can get out of sages in one season. Did those grow fast? What are those? Raspberries. And so if we look down to where we took a lot of these cuts, down below by this woody area, that's where we took the cuts. So we're talking about 3 feet of growth from this plant, which is why I always recommend doing a really heavy cutback when growing these sages, because once they're well developed in the soil, these things are just going to really take off, and they are quite an incredible plant. They're great for the pollinators here. Right now in the second week of September, we still have some pollinators getting some of that pollen and nectar out of these flowers, which is great to help the colonies out during these times, especially in this season. It is really important for them. So just another great benefit besides the beauty that these sages provide for our flower garden. Since they do flower so long, they will hold their color a lot longer than most other plants in our perennial flower gardens. So they are really quite an astounding plant, and I would say are rather unrated in the gardening community. Underrated, I should say, sorry. Because they provide such beauty, they're good for pollinators, they're easy to take care of, and they smell so good as well. So thank you guys all so much for watching. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.